This question comes from Max, who asks, what would happen if we drained all the world's electricity at once?
Max, you've just asked the ultimate blackout question, the kind of scenario that makes engineers weep, tech enthusiasts scream, and your local barista wonder why the espresso machine is suddenly silent.
Let's flip the switch on this hypothetical and see what happens when the lights go out, forever. Or, at least for a very long time.
First, let's define our terms. All the electricity means every electron in motion powering our devices, every current in every wire, and yes, even the tiny static shocks you get from carpet, poof, gone.
That includes everything from your smartphone to the national power grids, the servers hosting the internet, and even the electricity humming in your body if you want to go full sci-fi. Think of it as the universe flipping a giant off button. And suddenly, humanity is left staring at a very dark world.
The immediate effects are dramatic. All lights go out, street lights, traffic lights, the glow from every skyscraper, every neon sign, every dashboard indicator.
Hospitals lose power instantly. Emergency generators kick in if they have fuel. But soon, even those run dry.
Airplanes in the sky lose navigation systems. Elevators stop mid-floor. And your Netflix binge?
Well, it's back to storytelling via interpretive shadow puppets. Max, congratulations. You've just invented the retro lifestyle overnight. Next, consider the societal domino effect. Modern civilization runs on electricity. Water treatment plants?
Offline. Refrigeration? Gone. Banks? Out of business. Without electricity, the ATMs freeze, card readers die, and even digital currencies vanish into thin air.
Communication collapses. Cell towers, internet servers, satellites, they all go dark. Suddenly, the world is forced to go analog. People may start yelling across neighborhoods, sending smoke signals, or dusting off carrier pigeons. Survival becomes an immediate, hands-on challenge.
Transportation chaos follows. Electric cars? Dead. Trains? Stationary. Gas pumps? If you can't power the pumps, your sedan becomes a very heavy paperweight. Traffic jams happen. Emergency services crawl at walking speed, and logistics networks crumble. Imagine a grocery store with no refrigeration and no electricity. Within hours, fresh food starts to spoil.
Supermarkets turn into ruins of melted ice cream, wilted vegetables, and desperate customers searching for canned goods. Max, your family's next dinner might involve scavenging for peanut butter by candlelight. Then there's the technological fallout. Computers, servers, and smartphones stop working. Banks freeze. Hospitals can't run MRI machines. Even traffic systems fail, causing more accidents.
Industrial processes halt. Chemical plants, factories, refineries, all frozen in time. Economies grind to a halt within hours. The stock market?
Essentially frozen in an electronic limbo. Factories lose raw materials. Supply chains break. Humanity is staring at a world where our digital and electrical dependencies are suddenly useless. Power outages of this scale would also affect natural systems. While it sounds funny, consider the fact that electric fences fail, security systems go offline, and city infrastructure fails. Animals may wander into areas normally inaccessible to them. Without traffic lights and human guidance, wildlife may reclaim streets, at least temporarily until humans adapt.
Meanwhile, nuclear plants with offline cooling systems could become critical problems if backup systems fail. Max, let's hope someone remembered the diesel.
Interestingly, there's a tiny upside. The planet takes a breather. Less electricity means less pollution, less carbon output, and less environmental stress. Night skies, for the first time in decades, would be filled with stars instead of city lights. Rivers, oceans, and forests might quietly reset in some ways as humans scrambled to adapt.
Max, the Earth doesn't mind losing electricity. In fact, it's the humans who have the hard time adjusting.
So what would happen if we drained all the world's electricity at once? Essentially, civilization grinds to a halt. Cities go dark, transportation stops, food spoils, hospitals struggle, communication collapses, and economies freeze.
Humanity is forced back into pre-industrial survival mode, relying on ingenuity, candles, and maybe a little luck.
Max, it's safe to say that a world without electricity is not a vacation. It's an extreme endurance challenge. But hey, at least you'll finally see the stars, right?
If you enjoyed this shocking blackout thought experiment, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop your next what-if scenario in the comments. Remember, electricity powers the world, but imagining life without it is electrifyingly terrifying. Thanks for watching, and see you next time for more dangerously hypothetical science adventures.